Meantime, Vol fans making their presence known outside the U.S. District Courthouse in Greenville today, while inside, Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti, his team, and the Commonwealth of Virginia took on the NCAA in a preliminary hearing. This coming after Skrmetti filed a lawsuit challenging the NCAA's rules regarding name, image, and likeness, or NIL. 6 News reporter Ella Wales was there and breaks down the arguments from both sides.
Attorneys for the states of Tennessee and Virginia telling a judge today why they believe some of the NCAA's rules regarding NIL should be temporarily lifted.
You know, it's difficult for attorneys to figure out what they can or cannot do with NIL, and we've had 4 years of college and 3 years of law school. If you're a high school kid trying to figure this out, you're going to have an extremely difficult time, and that's a big problem because the consequences are so severe.
Chief Judge Clifton Corker did not make a decision on the preliminary injunction yet, which would lift the NCAA's rules until a decision is made in the case. The state claims if recruits are unable to discuss potential NIL deals ahead of enrolling in a school, they'll be making an uninformed decision on what school to go to, which can cause irreparable harm.
It's not right to subject these kids to this, this unknowable situation where they're putting their necks out there and they don't know whether they're going to get in trouble. They're making these big decisions that are going to have serious financial and educational implications for the rest of their lives.
The NCAA argued that prospective student athletes can discuss NIL, but that discussion cannot be tied to a certain school. This rule, exactly what the state is arguing, is unclear. Both sides also cited Tennessee state law regarding NIL, which the state says requires an NIL contract to be linked to a certain school. Tennessee law does not ban discussion of NIL before enrollment, but NCAA rules do.
If somebody's playing football at Harding University, their NIL opportunities are probably a lot different than their NIL opportunities at, say, the University of Tennessee. And that's just a result of the market and the fan following. So where you go to school is going to factor into your NIL value, but you can't pay someone just to go to school. That's pay for play, and it's a weird distinction for sure. But that's where the law is.
The judge did not issue a ruling today, only saying he'd be making his decision in, quote, short order. In Greenville, Ella Wales, WATE 6 on your side.
All right, thank you, Ella. But no matter what decision is made on the preliminary injunction, the Attorney General says his office will continue to fight for the rights of student athletes.